paano naman po ako gaganahan kung hindi ako makaririnig ng nagpapalakpakan? Paano naman po ako gaganahan kung hindi ako makaririnig ng naghihiyawan? At paano naman po ako gaganahan kung hindi ko kayo maririnig na sabay-sabay na nagpapalakpakan at naghihiyawan? Efep! Oray! Mga uto-uto, binubuhay ko lamang po inyong mga gabi. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that gone are the days when pageants are just a simple pageant. Today, pageant has coveted individuals like me the chance to harness my deepest sensibility and the best of my ability. Ladies and gentlemen, before your very eyes is a fresh and innocent 21-year-old stunner, all the way last from the fishing capital of the Philippines, Naboda City. This is Joaquin Suarez, but tonight, allow me to stand by the name ng babaeng nagmula pa po sa bakuran ng GMA Channel 7. Ang babaeng tinaguri ang kauna-unahang reyna ng Telefantasia. And Cantasia. Tawagin niyo na lamang po akong Cassiopeia, binibining Solen. Lisa.
Yusuf is a 24-year-old stunner from Naboda City. Kung naniniwala sa kasabihan, digital na ang karma. Beautiful gown. Palatakan naman natin guys, ang ating contestant number 7, Miss Solen Yusuf. Thank you so much, contestant number 7. This time,